And welcome back to another video of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about 4 different kind of stocks, not all in the same sector, but it's going to be super fun. We're going to talk about them super fast, honestly. But before we get started, can I please ask you guys to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel, and as always, I do thank every single one of you guys, because I do believe you guys have been amazing on this channel. And once again, don't forget to comment down below, because that gets you an entry to win dividends from me tomorrow, Friday. So definitely keep on the lookout for that. So let's go ahead and get started on the first stock that we are going to talk about today. Super fast, SeaChange International. This is a global public supplier of video delivery software, as you guys can see right here. Its framework includes video processing, back office, media assets management, dynamic advertiser insertion, analytic, and user interface. Now, this is a penny stock. So just to clarify to you guys, when it's a penny stock, not all penny stocks, but when it's a penny stock and the market cap is pretty low, volatility is definitely going to be present. So definitely be careful when investing in such companies like this. And obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not take my words as advice. This is solely entertainment purposes only, and this is me just showing you guys some crazy changes that have been happening lately on some of these stocks. So definitely go consult your financial advisor. All right, so as of today, it started at 153. It traded up and down for a little bit, and then it went back up to 159. My dog is making a lot of noise. But last week on Friday, it was trading about for $1.03, and then it just completely skyrocketed, more than 50% to the upside, which is pretty good. If you guys did get into this company at this price point, congratulations, you got 50% of it like back pretty much, which is pretty good. Now, there is a huge thing that they were talking about. Obviously, the SeaChange International is a supplier of video. As you guys know, this company supplies support to cloud and on-site video delivery platforms around the world, which is freaking great. Anything that has to do with the world and is international, that is great. Investors should be careful. Look at this. Investors should be careful with VIAC stock, as a company is still firmly in the penny stock territory. You don't exit until it's past the $5 mark, so definitely be careful. This still trades on the Nasdaq. Some penny stocks only trade on the OTC, so that's pretty good. You'll be able to find them everywhere. So to put that into perspective, the company's daily average trading volume is roughly 7.9 million shares. There was a thing right here. The company's announced a multi-million-dollar contract with a major broadband service provider in the US. That's why we saw a little bit of a catalyst right here, and we saw that increase to the upside to around $2.08. I think that was when they hit the $3.72 mark, if you guys can see right here. And then obviously people sold and they have gone down. I do believe this company is going to stay around this area. I don't think it's going to drop back down to the $1 flat mark. It's going to take a little bit of time for them to go back to the $2 mark. So definitely keep that in mind when investing. Now, this is just their website. On the next one that we are talking about is NIO. Yes, I know a lot of you guys are already annoyed of me talking about NIO all the time, but guys, look at it's going for $39.66. NIO has gotten beat down after beat down after beat down with a whole bunch of crap going on. 5 days ago, last week, it was going for $35.65. It dropped all the way down to $34.39, and then it exploded back up 20% to around $41.50. Now, I do believe who is it, buddy? Now, I do believe this company is a great company, even with all the negative news that it's gotten lately. Don't forget that the highest that this company has been was at $66.99, almost at $70. Now, yes, that is 70% off right now, right? So not 70% off, but $70, $40 off. So that is definitely something alarming that us as investors don't really like. But I do believe NIO is definitely going to go up in numbers when and as soon as it can. Now, $39.66 might be expensive for some of the stocks, but trust me, guys, this is something that is definitely good news. So as you guys can just see right here, this came out April 1st, 2021, or today. NIO just broke another sales record despite the chip shortages. Now, with the chip shortages, NIO did go down quite a bit, just like you know, very different EV companies out there. But NIO has kept it pretty well up in the sales. NIO delivered 7,257 vehicles to customers in March, breaking its earlier record of 7,225 set in January after a production increase. Now, it has done a pretty good number today, even though it went down just a little bit, even with those huge, very positive news. So this stock is definitely something to keep in, you know, in your mind, because I do believe that NIO is just going to keep breaking their records of delivered cars every single month, right? So keep that in mind. Now, for the last two stocks that I do want to talk about, they are a little bit different. They're in the media, mass media company, VIAC CB, as well as Discovery. Now, I heard a lot of other people investing in this company, which kind of caught my attention. But if you guys can see right here, this one's going for $44.64. Not too shabby, but this is something that I want you guys to see. Look at this freaking drop, right? Look at this. $100, right? $100 went all the way down 55.51%. This is Viacom CBS. And as you guys can see over here at Discovery, let's go to the 1 month chart. $77.27, right? Yeah, $77.27. Look at this crazy drop of 46%. Guys, I know we don't like investing in companies that drop this crazy, but this is a perfect opportunity for great money, because I do believe they will make their money back. If you guys don't know who Viacom CVS is, they have a lot of different areas. They have distinctive brands: Bet, Paramount Plus, CBS, CBS News, Pluto, Showtimes, Bellator, Paramount, Nickelodeon, MTV. They have quite a bit of different channels, which is pretty awesome. Now, after dropping more than 27% on Friday, this was last Friday, shares of Viacom CBS are continuing to lose on Monday's pre-market trading after it emerged that VIAC is caught in the fallout from troubles at private investment firms Archegos Capital Management, however you say that. VIAC stock was off a further 3.56% of 8:15 this on Monday morning. So it got caught in some very big sellout, right? So that's why the shares sold. This is a perfect opportunity for you to join in this company. I don't personally own these two stocks, but I am definitely going to buy a couple of these shares because I do believe they will shot back up to the top. Now look at this craziness. 6 months chart, right to the peak. That's 258%. That is wild. If you look at the whole entire day, that or the whole entire 6 months, that is still up 59%. I do believe that they will go back up to $70-$80 because people are just loving this, right? So keep that in mind. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. I do thank every single one of you guys, and drop a comment down below if you're investing in any of these companies, or if you have other companies in mind. comment that below, and I will definitely do a little bit more research on them, because you helping me is me helping you. And I will see you guys next time on Coffee